Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. I hope you are all safe and sound from the storms last night. I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys what you're going to be doing for class today. So if you notice, under Monday 413, we have our 12:30 Google Hangout. I'm sure that there are a lot of people without power, and I'm not quite sure when they're going to get it back. So I expect to see a lot of people out from that. But our grammar is the same thing that we've been doing for the past 2 weeks. So it's a Google form. Just open it up and answer the questions. For writing this week, you have a Google Doc that you will open. And this writing assignment is for the entire week. So you're going to use this for Monday all the way through Friday. So the topic says, which simple machine do you think is most important? Use information from your science articles and science instruction to support your answer. So this week you're going to start learning about simple machines. Today, if you don't talk about them a lot in science, go to the internet on your Chromebook and search up what simple machines are. Watch some videos and do some research. And then as the week goes on, Mr. Bishop's going to talk more and more about simple machines. And then you can really start working on your essay. But don't be afraid to research some stuff if you don't know what simple machines are. So because this writing is for the entire week, I'm leaving it on Monday because I can't put it under each day. So this is where your Google Doc is found, under Monday. But under writing for each day, you can see I put, please continue writing on the essay found on Monday. Okay, but your Google Doc will always be on Monday. For reading, I wanted to go over this real quick because I didn't want anybody to be confused. We are working on context clues. So when you open it up, you're going to see that you have two worksheets over here on the side. The first thing you're going to want to do, if it's not zoomed in on your Chromebook, is go ahead and zoom in. I went to 100. And you're going to want to read the top. So it says, sometimes a word is contrasted with a word of opposite meaning. This is called an antonym or a contrast clue. So we use context clues to help us figure out the meaning of words. So sometimes we can figure it out because of an antonym that's given, or sometimes the word is clearly explained immediately after it's used. This is called a definition or an explanation. Okay, so we either have an antonym or a contrast clue, all right, that helps us figure out the meaning of the word, or we have a definition / explanation clue. So what you're going to do is you're going to read these sentences, and then you're going to try and figure out the meaning of the underlined word. So, compared to her last tiny house, her new house seems massive. You may already know what massive means. So what do you think is the meaning of massive? Okay? We could put big, large, right? Many, many, many other synonyms for massive. Okay? Now, the next question says, which type of context clue is used? So, does this sentence give you the definition of massive right after the word, or does it give you an antonym for massive? So you'll see the word tiny is here. So we know that massive is the opposite of tiny because it says compared to her last tiny house, her new house seems massive. So it gave us a contrast clue. So right here you're going to write contrast clue. Okay? And then let me show you one that's different. So right here on number 4, it says, the hikers guessed that it would take 3 full days to reach the pinnacle or top of the mountain. So you notice that right after our underlined word, the word pinnacle, it says or top. So it gives us the definition of pinnacle right there in the sentence. And this is called an explanation clue. So that is what you're doing today, is you're answering these 2 pieces of paper, and they're both the exact same. You're just telling me what the word means, and was it a contrast clue or an explanation clue. If you need any help, just let me know, and I will see you guys at 12:30.